Hello everyone and welcome back to this midweek technical look. And this technical analysis, we're going to have a look at gold prices, US 100 and Bitcoin that did reach a new all-time high. So most Fed officials expect to cut rates later this year due to easing inflation and economic risks, though opinions vary on timing and uncertainty remains high. So looking at gold prices, we can see that the price is still holding above this long-term ascending trend line, as well as above the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern with head around the 3440 region and neckline near the 3277 area. So as long as the market remains above this uptrend line and above this neckline, the outlook remains positive in the longer term view, but in the medium term we can see that the price is still holding within this trading range with the lower boundary around the 3167 and upper boundary the 3440 region. So even higher, if the price surpasses the short-term SMAs, immediate resistance is coming from 3365 ahead of the 3400 to 3440 area. Any closing session above the 3440 area, the price it may challenge again the all-time high at 3500 ahead of the 423.6% Fibonacci extension level at 3600 of this down leg here. Now on the negative scenario, if the price retreats beneath the 3245 to 3277 support area, then the price it may challenge the lower boundaries of this range at 3200 and 3167. Even lower, if the price also retreats below the 3120 support, then it may move towards the 200 DSMA at 2950 ahead of the longer term ascending trend line. Now, the technical oscillator is suggesting that we may see some more gains in the market. The RSI is crossing above the 50 region, and the stochastic is also pointing upwards with the potential to create a bullish crossover between its percentage K and percentage D lines. So I think that it will be very important for traders to be cautious around the 3277 area. If the price will have a move below it, then we may see steeper bearish movements. Now, having a look at US 100, that we had a new all-time high yesterday around the 32,917 region. And also, we can see that the price is still holding well above this steep uptrend line, which has been developing since the beginning of April. So, any more advances, the price it may move towards the 23,500 psychological mark if we suppose that the 23,000 area will be easy to break. Now, even higher, we can see that the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level at 25,900, which is taken from this downward wave here from the peak back in 22,200 to 16,300. It will be the next critical region to have in mind, but of course also the round numbers within this area, such as the 24,000 and 25,000 levels, will be very important as well. Now, on the other hand, if there is a dive beneath this uptrend line, the price it may find first support near this area of 22,000 to 22,200 ahead of the 50-day SMA at 21,620 and the 21,350. The MACD is easing beneath his trigger line, but the stochastic posted a bullish crossover, so we have some mixed signs here mirroring this latest weakness in the market. Also, we have some weakening momentum over the last few sessions, as we can see after the break above the 22,200. We can see that the market is moving higher, but with weaker momentum than in the previous weeks. So the technical oscillators are mirroring this latest weakness in the market. And now switching to Bitcoin, it hit a new all-time high yesterday due to massive institutional inflows, regulatory clarity in the US, and growing scarcity of available supply. We can see that the price is holding above the 110.600 region and is approaching again the all-time high. That the price it moves near the 112,000 level, but is currently holding slightly below it. So if there is a move above the 112,000 area, then the price it may hit towards the next round number of 113,000 level. Now, on the other hand, if we see a retreat and a move below the previous support, then the price it may meet the 20 and 50-day SMAs around the 106,700 to 1,007,300 area ahead of the previous bottom and near this longer-term uptrend line and the 105,200 area. And movement below this level, then it will confirm that we may see the price hitting towards a trading range and testing again the 98,400 level ahead of the 200 DSMA near the 96,600 region. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators are all suggesting that we may see some more upside movements in the market. The MACD is holding above its trigger and zero lines. The stochastic, it posted a bullish crossover and is holding above its 80 level, so it's entering into an overbought territory. The RSI is also holding above the 50 region, so all of them are confirming this upside structure in the market. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.